Hello precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Win and welcome to my YouTube channel The Sassy Leo. So guys, today I'm up with a back to basics video on how to create ombre lips. Ombre lips are always in trend and they look very beautiful. So here I am today sharing this tutorial with all of you guys. In this video, I'll be telling you how I created this ombre look. So if you like it, please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi. I'm the Sassy Leo and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath the red subscribe button into gray and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just get up and get going. So guys, I'm done with the full face of makeup and now it's time to move ahead with the lips. So the very first thing that we are going to do is lip care. The very first step that I'll be doing is apply lip balm and wait for 10 minutes. The lip balm that I'll be using today is my all-time favorite and very affordable, the one from Himalaya. So guys, I'll be applying a thick layer of lip balm and wait for 10 minutes. Now guys, the next step is scrubbing our lips. So for scrubbing purpose, I'll be using my toothbrush and with a very light hand, I'll be rubbing the toothbrush over my lips. Now guys, I'm taking a tissue paper and wiping the leftover of the lip balm on my lips. Scrubbing is a really effective step if done correctly. Guys, do not be harsh when rubbing the toothbrush over your lips. Just do it with a very light hand. Scrubbing helps to remove the dead cells and also make our lips plump and soft. Now the next step I'm doing is to line my lips using a lip liner. Guys, make sure that you use the dark shade of the lip liner. Here I'm using Lakme 925 lip liner in the shade Red Alert. Using this lip liner, I'll be outlining my lips. Now guys, I'll be filling the lips only from the corners using the same lip liner. So guys, the final step is using the lighter shade of lipstick. Here I'm using My Glam Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade 32 Half Nightstand. So guys, I am filling the leftover areas on my lips with this shade. Also beauties, do not forget to smudge both the colors so that they look even and no harsh lines are visible on your lips. You may even use your fingers for smudging the colors. So guys, I am quite happy with the result, but I feel that the outline of my lips should be more intense. So what I'll be doing is I'll be outlining my lips again with the same lip liner. So guys, now do not forget to smudge both the colors with your finger so that no harsh lines are visible. And that is it guys, we are done. You may see how beautiful the ombre lips look. Also beauties, if you want, you may apply a bit of shimmer on the extreme middle of your lips. But I prefer matte lips, so I would leave it this way. One advantage of ombre lips is that none of your most lightest lipstick is a waste. You may use the lighter to lightest shade even if you feel that the shade is not appropriate for your skin tone or it looks very vibrant. Remember, just line your lips with a darkest lip liner and then use the lightest shade in the middle portion of your lips and voila, you are pretty much good to go. So guys, this is it for today. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below. Also, write in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me Win signing off. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.